Khalid,
చెప్పు.
yeah, what we learned yesterday? Users and groups and roles.
Rules.
Users
Rules.
nothing but when we are working with the system users, we have to use backend names of the tables. Backend name of the user table called as a sys underscore user. So in that user, ServiceNow is managing using only instance role admin people. They can able to do anything in ServiceNow, right?
Yes.
Yeah, other than accessing a security admin role functionality, suppose when we are picking with that ITL role, they can able to update incident and create them, but they can delete them. So I'll show you.
Third.
I'll show you.
Okay.
Suppose users. There is a system security card. This is the application menu. These are the modules. So we need to pick with that users.
Okay.
So yesterday I created this. So again I created another one. So I'll show you clearly.
Yes.
Muhammad Ali. I choose like a Muhammad was first name. Ali was last name. Title I mentioned ServiceNow developer. Department IT. So email Muhammad Ali at. I'll choose like this. Language English. So this is the users. So the same kind of registration when we are creating Facebook or Instagram, any kind of social media stuff. So initially, uh, so in that this is a list view forms. So in that we call as a those are all fields. So these fields are like some fields are like a string field is there. Some reference field is there, some choice fields is there, some date fields is there. So these kind of fields in that single form. So we need to set for that password needs to reset, right?
Yes.
Then we are able to do, suppose, so this is a mobile number I need to add. So when we are save it, here it's showing set password, right?
Yes.
So we need to set the password for this user. So what is the user?
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad.
Ali.
What is the user we are taken here?
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali is the user, right?
Yes.
User ID. We are taken Muhammad Ali. Password. We need to set the password. So before versions, it will be need to manually need to write. But then after they are configured this set password field. So here we need to generate. We need to copy this. We need to save here. Remember this. Save the password. Then again, we need to update. What is the user ID here? What I created?
Muhammad Ali.
Come again.
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali. So what is the profile I shown here?
Vamshi Servicenow.
Yeah, this is previously, and whatever
Mm,
admin is there,
mm,
I reconfigured this name in that.
mm.
So the same kind of do stuff. Suppose here everything it will be shown. So I'll show you for the why user are need to important, need to assign with that ITL role and ITL admin for that particular instance side.
This how to reset the password? This.
Yeah, I'll show you here.
Mm, mm. That is something showing like a.
Yeah, I taken for that
Yeah.
incognito
Mm,
mode
mm,
side. So the
mm,
same user ID I taken here. Then what is the user ID
mm.
for that? Muhammad
Yeah, Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali. So
Something
carefully.
showing password is saying so much, huh? Then.
No, no. So for
Mm,
that initially the
mm,
service now generated one password. Then
mm,
later we need to configure.
change password.
That's why I'm doing here.
Mm.
Why it's not logged in? So before that, what should we do here?
Admin permissions.
Impersonate user,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
So for this user, do we seen any instant kind of stuff or everything is that able to access for them? Or any kind of like a elevate roles or impersonate user is seen here?
No, no, no.
So for that end impersonation for here, what is the password? Did you observe anything in this? System
What you done?
administrators requires you to change your password,
Yeah,
right?
person. Mm, mm.
So why it is shown here? Tell me. So we
Yeah,
are then whatever password reset we are enabled through there,
mhm.
right?
Yes, yes.
So
What
service
you
now
clicked here?
generate a custom service now generate a password that was a very too long.
Mhm,
So while we are setting the password, so that's why we need
mhm,
to
mhm. You have to
whichever password we need to create that. That's why we need to
you have
customize it
clicked
here.
you have clicked
Suppose
forget password. You have clicked.
not forget password,
Mm,
man.
mm. How
So
this
when
page?
when we are logged into that another user,
Mm, mm,
so that's why the same instance can do access
mhm,
multiple users. So
mhm,
that's why given
mhm, mhm,
permission to him.
mhm.
the same person, and who are the
Mhm.
admin access.
Mhm.
Admin access can do anything. So
Mhm.
I'm just impersonating. Then whatever user I created
Mhm.
before that. So in that I set the reset password enable true,
Mhm. Mhm.
right? So that's
Mhm.
why here asking customized password we need to create here.
Okay, okay.
Suppose
జవాజు ఇది అర్థం కాలే నాకు ఇది. ఎట్లా వచ్చింది చేంజ్ పాస్వర్డ్? హలో,
అర్థం కాలే.
అర్థం కాలే. చేంజ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఎట్లా వచ్చింది పేజ్?
ఈ యూజర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోలేవా మిత్రమా?
చేసినావా?
యూజర్స్
ఏం
లో ఏమని
చేసినావు?
ఇచ్చిన నేమ్?
మొహమ్మద్ అలీ వచ్చింది ఇచ్చింది.
వాట్ నేమ్ ఐ గివెన్ హియర్?
మొహమ్మద్ అలీ.
Muhammad Ali.
అలీ.
This is the username and user ID I given here.
ఉమ్,
So just I opened it. Just you can
ఉమ్,
see.
ఓకే.
So just initially then whatever service now given OOB
ఉమ్,
set the password. Based on that
ఉమ్,
we are set the password.
ఉమ్,
So just password needs to reset. I clicked here
ఉమ్.
because of
ఓకే, ఓకే.
here there is a large password is there na.
ఎస్, ఎస్, ఎస్.
So that's why I enabled true.
ఓకే.
So then we need
ఉమ్,
to customize the password as per that our requirement.
ఓకే.
So when we are login, so
ఉమ్,
it was a very big
ఎస్,
password.
ఎస్. ఉమ్,
So how can we log in into that?
ఉమ్,
Is that
ఎస్.
possible? So is that
నో, నో,
remember?
నో, నో.
So that's why it is coming like that. Password needs to reset. Password needs reset. Enable true. So if we click disable it, it's not coming. Then whatever we are given custom OOB password is there na. OOB nothing but out of the box. Then whatever
ఓకే.
service now predefined services that's called as a OOB out of the box services we should call. So here set password. So it was too long, right? So that's why I enable true. Password needs reset.
రీసెట్. ఎస్.
So that's why yeah, why it is not taking?
ఈవెన్ యూజర్ నేమ్.
Why?
You give an username, I think, huh?
Yes. So that's
Password.
why
Pass.
yeah,
Mm,
yes, that's why it's showing.
mm,
So randomly I'll choose
mm,
some of the password,
mm,
anything, whatever I want
yes.
to. Now it's able to submit. So where we are into that? Did you
Normally,
observe anything? Muhammad Ali,
only.
ServiceNow
Mm,
developer.
mm,
This is the user side. I logged into
mm,
that instance,
mm,
right?
mm, yeah.
Yeah, here. Did you
Mm,
observe anything? Is there any elevate roles or impersonate
mm,
user kind of stuff? Is any we
no,
are seen here?
no, no, no.
Is there any scene incident kind of stuffs? Did you did you observe? Is there any users,
No,
groups and roles is shown here?
no, no.
Why it is not coming?
Just we
For
created
this
a
only
user.
users need to give permission particular user ITIL role.
Mm,
So if that person wants to
mm,
some incident kind of stuff, some kind of delete operation can do, we should give ITIL admin permission. So that is the major thing. So that's why yesterday what I told to you.
mm,
So just I'll give short description, short note to you. Then I'll give you deep information about this and the next class. So that's why.
okay,
So if I
mm,
give that intro class now, so you can't able
mm,
to understand.
okay, okay.
So that's why,
Mm,
right?
yes.
So here you can see here
Mm,
with these users.
mm,
So here everything
mm,
will come. Why
yes.
it's coming? Suppose incidents
Admin.
I want
Mm,
to show here.
mm,
Suppose when I click all, suppose if I want to choose anything, here showing everything,
yes.
right?
Yes.
We
Yes.
should create, update,
Mm,
delete. So all the CRUD
mm,
operations we should do with
mm,
this incident
mm,
application, and when we are clicking the module side, we should able to access everything. Why it's
mm.
coming? Tell me. Any
HCL
doubt?
role and ITL role and admin role. ITL role is there and admin role is there. That's why it's
What
coming.
is
Huh?
the ITIL?
All permission system. Huh? It will give all permissions. ITL
Information Technology
the infrastructure.
Infrastructure Library,
Infrastructure. Library.
right?
Yes.
So the same kind of thing we should
Mm.
give
So same that user, Muhammad
permission
Ali
to
user.
that
Huh?
particular user.
Muhammad Ali user.
Yeah, for that whatever I given.
Mm.
So
Mm.
where it under users,
Users.
system security under,
Mm. Users.
where is system security? Users groups. Yeah, this is
Yes.
the
Mm. Mm.
application menu. In that we have a modules called
Users.
as a users groups and roles,
Roles.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, when we clicked it, so
Mm.
for this what I should do initially, we need to give
Mm.
some
Roles.
roles
Roles.
permission. I need to give for this particular Muhammad Ali user,
Roles.
right?
Yes.
What is the role I need to give? ITIL. So when we are going to here, is this enabled to see in here?
No, no.
No, so that's why we need to logged out. Again, we should logged in.
No.
Now you are able to see in incident. Here create new, assign to me, open and assign, resolve all, right?
Yes.
Why it is coming? Khalid,
Incidents. Incidents.
why it is coming?
Oh, it's given permission. Role you are given, huh?
Yeah. So that's
Mm.
why it's came.
Mm.
When we
Yes.
clicked on that all,
Mm.
so when I picked a random incident,
Mm.
So here you can see only update and resolve, discuss, these kind of buttons is displayed here.
Yes.
So you can observe here.
Hmm.
Yeah, what you have seen here. So we should
Discuss.
update, resolve, delete. So why it's
Yes.
coming? Tell me.
All permission is there.
So why it's not coming here?
You have to give admin permissions. ITL role permissions. Huh?
What?
We have to give role permission. ITL
ITIL?
role.
ITIL role.
Hmm.
Right?
Yes.
Can I ask one thing?
Yes.
What is the ITIL role? Tell me.
They can update and they can create, and but they cannot delete them.
Yeah, but they cannot delete them.
Delete them.
Right?
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah, so that's why.
Hmm.
What should we do now?
Hmm.
Tell me.
ITL role. ITL role we have to give. Huh?
For this users,
Hmm.
what is the user? Muhammad Ali
Hmm.
user. We should give
ITL role.
what kind of role we should do?
ITL role.
ITIL
Admin.
admin. Let's see.
Hmm. Hmm.
What will it happen? So any changes? Why it's not coming?
Not coming. Delete.
So
Delete
again,
menus.
we should logged out.
Right.
Again, we should re-logged in.
Right.
Now, can observe here. Is it come or not?
Yes.
Is it coming?
Yes. Coming.
Yeah. Then why it is coming? We are given
Yes.
ITIL role and ITIL admin for
Right.
that particular user.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
But why it is not coming? Did you observe anything?
Yes. Impersonate user. Why is not coming?
Yeah, so that's why I'm asking why it is not coming.
We have to give security admin roles.
So just now we are given a ITIL admin.
Mm. Yes, yes.
Now why it is not coming?
We have to give security admin roles.
So we should give admin. Admin means that
Admin
user can do anything and everything for this particular instance.
instance.
Right?
Yes.
So now again we should go to there. Where we should go? So
have to log
then
out.
we refresh. Yeah, is it coming or not?
Yes. Not coming. Log out. We have to do log out.
Yes, we should logged out.
Mm.
Is it coming or not?
No, no, it's not coming.
It's coming.
No,
Impersonate
coming,
user
coming.
is there.
Yes, in percentage is there.
Yeah.
We have to give
So,
ITL,
so for
ITL.
this, what we
Mm,
should learn, what we are learned today, users. Then
users.
how we are using ITL role in ITL
Mm,
admin. So the same
last
kind
one.
of stuff you can do alone,
Mm,
groups,
mm, mm,
and roles. You can
yes.
do. You can do it in an
Mm,
instance. So if
mm,
any doubts,
mm.
I'll tell you in the
Okay.
next class. Okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, then we
First we
can
have
stop
select.
here.
Yes, yes. First we have selected ITL, ITL role admin. Three permission we have to give. Huh?